September 11th, just to give you an idea of the waves crashing along the shore here. No doubt, we'll swing around and give you an idea of the waves pounding against the shoreline. How huge they are. Zoom up over there. You can take a gazebo in the distance. Yeah. Unbelievable surf, how it's really picking up. Unbelievable. Okay, the wind is also sustained probably about 25-30 miles an hour. Gusts 40-45 miles an hour. Surf is really picking up now. Okay, signing out for now. We are near the Princess Juliana Airport. The rain is coming down, and we'll swing around one more time.